Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. It is Wellness Wednesday. So on this Wellness Wednesday, your tip is to eat your broccoli. I know that's not probably everyone's favorite vegetable, but it has some great things in it for us. For healthy gums, put this green vegetable on your grocery list. It's an excellent source of vitamin C and provides calcium as well, both of which have been linked to lower rates of periodontal disease. Okay, so to keep those gums and mouth healthy, try some broccoli. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We'll be having breakfast this morning, and for lunch will be a hot dog. Tomorrow we'll also be having breakfast, and for lunch we'll have fish on a bun. There are no birthdays to celebrate today. Teachers, if you are phonics first trained and interested in a spot facilitating the summer reading program, see the link from last Friday's Friday Focus. PST documentation, make sure that has been updated and uploaded into your Schoology. Late duty today is Miss Lankford. Tomorrow late duty is Miss Barnes. Important dates. Today is grade level planning during your extended PE time. March 15th through the 30th is our ACAP testing window. It starts Monday. March 17th is AMSTI PD during extended PE. March 24th is PSD. March 26th is the end of the third quarter. On April 5 through 9, we have spring break. April 16th, we have spring pictures. And ending the month of April, we will finish up our ACAP summative testing. Our word of the day is expression. Expression is a mathematical phrase without an equal sign. It shows the value of an amount. So this expression is 239 plus 375. And that expression shows a value. Okay? That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.